Hey everyone, are you ready to embark on a journey of positivity and self-discovery? Today we're diving into the transformative power of gratitude journaling and sharing 10 simple steps to help you start your own gratitude journal today. Step 1. Start with 3. It's all about starting small and being consistent. Begin by writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It could be anything from the delicious food you ate to a supportive friend or a sunny day. These small moments add up to a big difference in your mindset. Step 2. Choose a time. Establishing a routine is key. Pick a dedicated time each day to write in your gratitude journal. It could be in the morning as you sip your coffee, in the evening before bed, or any other time that suits you. Consistency will help make this practice a lasting habit. Step 3. Use prompts. If you're stuck, use prompts to guide you. There are numerous gratitude journal prompts available online and in books to help you explore different aspects of your life and find more things to be thankful for. Step 4. Keep it simple. While it's wonderful to have high goals, it's also important to keep things simple, especially when starting. Aim for brief, yet meaningful entries. This approach is more sustainable than overwhelming yourself with lengthy, complicated entries that you might not maintain. Step 5. Make it personal. Your gratitude journal is a personal space for reflection and growth. Use colors, doodles, stickers, or any other creative elements that make it uniquely yours. Personalizing your journal can make the experience more enjoyable and encourage you to write more frequently. Step 6. Reflect on past entries. Regularly take some time to reread your previous entries. This practice allows you to revisit positive experiences, appreciate how far you've come, and reinforce the habit of gratitude. You can do this monthly, quarterly, or whenever you feel the need to boost your spirits. Step 7. Go digital or paper. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to gratitude journaling. If you prefer the convenience of technology, opt for a digital gratitude journal on your phone or computer. On the other hand, if you enjoy the tactile experience of writing, go for a physical journal. The choice is yours. Step 8. Be consistent. The key to establishing any habit is consistency. Try to write in your gratitude journal every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, this daily practice will become second nature, and you'll reap the benefits of a more positive mindset. Step 9. Highlight specific moments. When you notice something that makes you feel grateful during the day, take a moment to write it down in your journal. It could be a kind gesture from a stranger, a beautiful sunset, or a heartfelt conversation. Capturing these specific moments helps you focus on the positive aspects of your experiences. Step 10. Embrace the journey. Gratitude journaling is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and embrace the process. As you continue to write and reflect on the things you're grateful for, you'll gradually cultivate a more positive and appreciative mindset. As you incorporate these simple steps into your daily routine, remember that the most important thing is to be consistent and authentic in your practice. Gratitude journaling is a powerful tool for transforming your mindset and enhancing your overall well-being. So start your gratitude journal today and embark on this transformative journey. If you found these steps helpful, don't hesitate to share them with your friends and family. Together, you can build a community of positivity and support each other on your gratitude journey. Thanks for watching, and happy gratitude journaling.